Hey guys, this is Irvin here, and in today's episode, we'll be doing part two of the blog series. And in this episode, I will show you guys how to make posts like these. We've got YouTube videos and pictures, texts, as well as how to add a page so that you can put your contact details there. I just used a random example, um, yeah, but you can apply that to basically anything. In part 3, I will cover exactly how you guys can add banners on the sides of your blog so that you can start monetizing your blog if that is your plan. So, anyways, if you want to leave your business, you leave the place you work at some point in life, start your own business or start any online side hustle, anything like that, then there's going to be a link in the description below. It teaches you guys how you can use methods like building blogs and methods like using social media, how you can actually go around and actually take simple blogs like these that you can start for free and monetize them. Guys, if you guys like the idea of that, then click on the link and go and watch that out. If you guys just want to know how to make a blog, then stick through and I'll show you guys how to make the posts. See you guys at the end. Pages and posts. So a page and a post are similar yet different. Pages are fixed content like a contact us page, an about us page, frequently asked questions page, or anything that doesn't change over time. Those are pages. Where a post is something that goes into the main content of your blog, and those things they change over time, and those where you put most of your content. That's the main part of the blog. If anything, you want to know how to make a post. But just in case you want to have pages, let me show you pages first. So you click new page to start creating that page, and it's as simple as giving it a title, say contact us, and actually giving it a description and contact details, and social media details, right? And then you fill in all your details. And you probably want to look at other people in your niche. So that's like other people who's already doing content like this out there, and model what they do. It's very important for you to not just run on your own whim, because sometimes the way you do things doesn't necessarily gel so much with that audience. But the people who's already doing it and doing it big out there, they already have figured out how the audience works. So you click publish once you're done, and then you've got that page laid out there. And then a post is exactly the same structure. You'll give it a title. Let's call it first post ever. And you've got a few font styles that you can choose from. And you've got a few text styles you can choose from. And you can also add emojis and other kinds of symbols. So there's emoji. And let's go with the shades. I like to do the shades. You can also, if you more or less know what the emoji looks like, but you can't seem to see it, you can just draw it, and then it will show you all the relevant emojis up there. That's a useful tool that I've got inside here. And you can add images if you want. Just can go choose file, or you can go through your blog. So on this number of blogs that I've made, here's all the different versions I've made. Say we want to add that to the post. So that's going to be added to the post. Obviously, we're going to have text as well. Into 3, 7, so let's do it 1. This is the coolest place on earth. For Minecraft. And I'm just famous. I'm just following what I typed in the picture for one of the other songs, the one that I showed you guys over here. So I'm just using that picture. And that's a blog. I'm not saying it's the greatest blog, but that's the blog. And let's say you don't want the content to come out immediately, then you can choose any date into the future and into the past. And then you can just click the time and click done, and then it will post at that point. But I'm sticking with automatic. And if you want to add labels to help you find this content, then you can just give it a couple of labels: Minecraft, gamers, heroes, whatever else you want to put, and then you click done when you're done, separating them by commas. And then that's just everything you basically need on the blog post. And then you just click publish, and then it will publish your blog. And then if we now reload this page, then your blog post will appear. First post ever, the coolest place on earth for Minecraft gamers. And there you can see that pen name that you gave appears there. And I keep on forgetting to share this. But if you go to settings and you scroll down to languages and formatting, then you can find a setting that deals with the time at which you post. I'm from South Africa, so I probably think it would be wise for the time to be set to my country. And if we go to Johannesburg, there we go, just below Jerusalem. And there we have it, guys. The only thing that I want to show you guys still is how you actually make your contact us page visible. So you would go to layout, you would add, click on add gadget on cross column, and then you would go and choose page, just and pages. Just click a tick on all your pages, and then you click save. Once you click save, you'll then click save arrangement, and you now reload here. Then you'll see there's the contact us page and the home page visible on top. And now if we compare the two, contact us, home page, page views, blog, archive, a post, and an about me, which you can remove. And just to make sure you guys are comfortable with adding and removing, let's add a different gadget on this side. And let's see, what would I like to put there? Let's add labels. So let's save labels, and then let's go and remove. Okay, so now we've removed and we've added a gadget. And if we go back here and we reload, boom, there we have a, okay, I need to add one label, otherwise you won't actually see the value of what I just did. So let's go here, let's go back to posts, let's go edit this post, and let's give it a label or two. It's games, Minecraft, and click done. Let's click update, and now if we reload this, you'll see that all the labels are here. So now people can click different labels if you've got multiple content going on your blog. And if you click on the contact us page, it brings us over here to the contact us page. One thing that I want you guys just to be aware of is this little notice here on top. If you're going to be collecting other people's data and you haven't really done it before, please go and read this. Click on the learn more page and go and read that, and you'll find out a lot more on how that works. So to end this video off on a good note, And in case you guys want to know how it's done, I might just make a video about it. But the domain that we covered here was one that was free. So obviously it's not in your own name, but linked to somebody else's name. And you probably want to, and let me just give you guys a show of that. Hopefully it allows this nicely. So there you can see this the Minecraft heroes.blogspot.com, and you guys can go search it and you will find it for sure. Don't know how deep it will be down in terms of relevance, but it will be there. And you can see this is how the post looks on. That's how it looks on a mobile device, and that's how it looks on the website on a desktop device. So if you want to have a domain that is registered in your own name, then you'll have to go to a site like Bluehost or GoDaddy, and I'll have links to those below if you want to register your own domain so you can start this off on your own blog. And one thing which I want to just mention briefly, it's going to be very useful, is if you're doing something like what I'm doing here with games, then you might want to also add a link to a YouTube video, which is quite easily done. Just click on video and then you can go my YouTube videos, or from YouTube you can search Minecraft game, search, and then boom, you can click on any of these. If you have something specific, you can just go click and select, and then it will bring that in, and it gives you some options like large, extra large, original size, medium, and whatever else you want to do. And if you go look at the HTML, you'll see that they've added it below there for you. But I don't necessarily want to add it, so I'm just going to click close, and I'm going to click OK, and then it won't update that. So that's everything I want to share with you guys in this video. With that, you should have a working blog that you can use that keeps track of all the basics that you need if you want to start a blog out there on the internet. So guys, if you've made it this far through the video, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you guys learned anything in the video, please click the like button. If you want, feel free to subscribe if you want to know when I'm going to release the content, like when I'm going to make the blog about how you can start doing simple things to monetize your blog. And also comment in the description if you've got any questions, anything you want me to share, want to know from me. And I guess that's everything I wanted to ask you guys about. And then guys, like I mentioned, if you want to learn how to monetize your blog and learn simple strategy, well, not even simple strategy, if you want to learn how you can build a blog, become an authority, and start an income online, then I've got a training that I would like you guys to go check out. It's called Online Business Mastery. I'll have a link to a review that I'm going to make about that training, and then you guys can go check out that review and let me know, or click on the links there and decide whether you guys are interested. It does give a free webinar, so you can go and check out the free training. It will show you guys the basics of the method and let you know what you guys can look forward to if you guys decide to buy into it. And that's everything, guys. Until the next one, have a good one.